Greetings, new faculty. My name is Deirdre Garrity Benjamin, and I am the chair of the Faculty Center for Teaching and Learning. I'm also an associate professor. I've been a full-time professor here at Community College of Philadelphia for 12 years. I teach an array of classes. I teach environmental conservation, human geography, physical geography, first-year experience, and technology and justice. Before I came to Community College of Philadelphia, I worked for the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection for 10 years, where I worked in their Compliance and Enforcement Division. I also was an adjunct professor both at Community College of Philadelphia as well as other area community colleges. I know you will find Community College of Philadelphia to be a wonderful place to work. We have an awesome group of faculty members here at Community College of Philadelphia. We also have a very diverse student population, and those students will inspire you to learn and to up your game in the classroom. I hope you enjoy the training that we have set up for you. And as always, if you have any questions, problems, or you need advice or a soundboard, all of us here at Community College are here to help. We are a team, and our team is here to build a better community for our students. I am wishing you a wonderful and a long career here at Community College of Philadelphia.